Warships in the Caribbean today. Economy in shambles can shake the dismay. Borders crossed to millions of men day and night. 25,000 Chinese men were in sight. For over a year they came in deep state, sent on right an unstopped invasion. We all know the men say they have a place to go. See now, old man, a puppet on strings, directing our country, oh what chaos it brings. Justice system shattered, coast to coast decayed. Only one voice knows the true way. Stand together, hear our call. MAGA will rise, we won't fall. Through the darkness, our flag flies, with hope in our hearts and fire in our eyes. Legal teams work, fighting each dawn against a liberal government that's pulled us along. Lies ever mounting, growing tall, but we stand strong, answering the call. Total destruction, that's maintained, to break apart all our unity, but united we'll rise, all races too. Our patriot call, the red, white, and blue. California gone, New York too. Who knew the depths of would pursue? But in the heartland, our spirit stays true. Together forever, American patriots rise. Trump 2024, we must prevail. For our children and grandchildren, we cannot fail. Trump and his people, we need you. Come back to office for America and the red, white, and blue. California gone, New York too. Who knew the depths some would pursue? But in the heartland, our spirit stays true. Together forever, American patriots rise. Trump 2024.